Hey guys, you seen the title? You know what this is.
Yay!
I finally got it. My silver play button. Right away when I noticed that it was a black package, I knew what it was.
Can't wait to see it. You gotta see that.
They have it taped up really well.
Yeah.
Good for you, Dane. High five.
So it's been how long? 2 years.
2 years on YouTube, and it finally came.
It's actually pretty quick. Ready? Alright.
Oh, here's the note. I'm gonna read it. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel.
Yeah.
We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with the Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you've found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki. I hope I pronounced that name right. CEO, YouTube. There's a little card here. There's another little card. Wait. It says...
It's not. I don't even know what that says here. Okay.
Okay, it says... Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping, or if you have any questions, please contact us at, and it has an email that I'm not going to read. Here it is.
Oh my god.
Presented to Dane for reaching 100,000 subscribers. Can we get it in the frame?
I don't want it to. Oh.
I finally got it.
That is so cool. That is beautiful.
Woo!
There it is.
Go Dane! Go Dane! So happy!
That is so. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. You deserve it.
You can see in the reflection I was watching Dane TVM.
I love you.
Congratulations, Dane!
Well,
Thanks, everybody.
thank you all so much for getting me to 100,000 subscribers, and thank you to Sean Wojcicki and Rick for sending and making this award. And I'm gonna end this video right here. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.